Hello traders, welcome to my channel. It's your boy Juba Snipe. So today video guys, I'm going to show you how I'm about to take this trade right here, a euro JPY, you know what I'm saying? So I'm going to show you everything behind the reason why I'm about to take this trade. Make sure you watch everything guys, you know what I'm saying? So it's going to help you learn how to take this kind of sniper entries using the chart. So if you already subscribed to the channel, you know, say everything is free on this channel. We do not sell the strategies. Everything is actually free. All you need is to subscribe to the channel and, you know, start enjoying the lesson. So let's straight up guys, I'm gonna put some zone right here, because you can see here we have a zone right here. We got some zone right here, you know what I'm saying? So after we go to some zone right here, you can see that the market has been trying to, you know, to break up to the zone. The market has been giving some respect to the zone, you know what I'm saying? Let me show you what the market has been doing. The market has been show some respect to the zone. Let me do this so that you might be able to see, you know what I'm saying? Let me do something like this. I want to show you guys everything clear. You can see guys, the market has been giving some touches to the zone, you know what I'm saying? This is how the market has been moving to the zone, you know what I'm saying? Shoot down, come back to the zone, you know what I'm saying? But it couldn't break the zone, shoot at this point, and then came back to the zone, you know what I'm saying? Came back to this point and then shoot up to the zone. So at the end of the day guys, you can see here the market broke out the zone. So, you know, I've been watching the market, because if you already in a business for a long time, you know what to expect in the market. I knew that this market is going to break out the zone. That's why I didn't take any one of these touches to the zone, because I knew that this market is going to break out to the zone. So let me show you guys how I noticed that the market is going to break out to the zone. So you can see here, we got some trend line right here. You know what I'm saying? We got some trend line right here. Let me show you everything, guys. You know what I'm saying? If you look at this point right here, you can see that we got some trend line. You know what I'm saying? Some trend line, which means this is why I knew that the market is gonna break out to the zone. And if you crop this trend line right here and add the resistance right here, you can see that we got a resistance right here. So after I got this, then I knew that the market is going to shoot up all the way to this point right here, which the market, I knew that it's going to do something like this. You know what I'm saying? Starting from here, you can see that the market has been at this point, came to the support, came to the zone, and then came back to the support, and came back to the zone, you know what I'm saying, and came back to the support. So at this point, the market went back to the zone, but give some breakout right here. And this is why I knew that the market is going to shoot on uptrend. You know what I'm saying? Because it's been fooling us on this point. It's been fooling us as if it's gonna be a downtrend, but you know, you have to be careful. So now I'm gonna enter this trade, and my first take profit is going to be at this point right here. Let me show you the reason why. This is going to be my first take profit right here. This one right here. You know what I'm saying? Let me show you. This one is going to be my first take profit. Yeah, that one, because this is what the market is gonna do. You know what I'm saying? So now, as I see that the market is already breaking the trend line and it's already giving us some pullback to the trend, to the zone. It's already break the zone and gave us some pullback to the zone right here. Now I'm going to enter the market. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna enter the market right here, and my stop loss is just going to be something about, let me check, something about 40 pips right here. And then my take profit is going to be this one right here. You know what I'm saying? This is going to be my take profit right here. Yes. So guys, look at this, guys. I hope this makes sense, right? I hope this makes sense. It makes sense. So let's forget about the past, because you can see what we have here is just a past. You know what I'm saying? This kind of stuff, you know what I'm saying? This was just a past, guys. But before you enter the market, you know that you need to look at the past. So now I'm going to be focusing on this one. Let me show you what I'm going to be focusing on right now. This is what I'm going to focus on. The structure that I have right here. This is the structure that I'm going to focus on right now. My stop loss is going to be somewhere here. You know what I'm saying? You can see here, guys. This is the structure that I have at the moment. So now you can see that we got a high, you know what I'm saying, to the resistance, and then we got this high low, and high low to the support, and now we're forming high. You know what I'm saying? Which means I don't have to wait. I'm gonna enter this market right here, because as you can see, we already got high, and we already got high right here, and the retest. This one was a retest and a breakout and a retest to the trend line, and now I'm expecting the market to shoot up on this point right here. So guys, this is the reason why I'm going to enter this currency right here, Euro JPY. So I'm gonna tell to my team that let's enter the market. Our stop loss is gonna be this one right here, and our take profit is gonna be this one right here, which is 1 to 2. 1 to 2 means that you risk 1 to aim 2. You risk 1 to make 2. So if you risk $10, you make $10. If you risk $100, you're gonna make $300. This is the meaning of 1 to 2, 1:2. You know what I'm saying? 1:2. So guys, I hope this makes sense. I hope this is helping you a lot. Now you know how to, to look at the chart and know what to do in case. So do the right things, guys. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and join the free Telegram group. Let's go join the channel. Let's go join the team and start making this money as a team. You know what I'm saying? Knowledge every day. You know what I'm saying? So peace out, guys. See you on the next one.